Welcome to Sativo Saturday. We're going to be celebrating National Margarita Day all week long. Cheers.
I'm George Lally. Today we're going to make an off-the-rails margarita. I'm going to start by filling your mixing tin with ice, a ½ ounce of fresh lime juice, a ½ ounce of fresh orange juice, a ½ ounce of agave nectar, organic is best. Finish off with 2 ounces of El Sativo Blanco tequila. Shake it up. Fresh lime on half of it. Dip it in your salt. Strain is your off-the-rails margarita. Cheers.